Hello everyone and welcome back to Sew Aldo. On today's sewing project, I am going to show you how to transform these separates that I found at the thrift store. I am going to show you how to transform it into something stylish and current. So if you would like to see how, then keep on watching.
The first thing I did was tried on the skirt and I marked it how long I want it to be, and then measure up from the bottom of the hemline going up. That will ensure that the hemline is going to be straight. And don't forget to add 1/2 inch seam allowance to your desired length. Because this is a jersey knit, it will not fray, so I don't have to hem it. But if you decided to hem it, just fold it just like this and sew it all the way to the other end. Now it's time to work on the crop top. I tried it on and then I mark how long I want the crop top to be, and then I mark it right here. And then I am going to find the center front of the bodice and I place a clip right on the hemline.
I'm going to cut just right here. I'm just going to cut the front side, not the back side, okay?
So this project is a no-sew thrift flip transformation, which I'm super excited about. We are going to be doing a lot of cutting today.
So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut here along the side seam 10 inches. Okay.
We will repeat the same step on the other side seam. We are going to cut along right here. And since this is a jersey knit material, I don't have to sew it. Basically, it doesn't fray. This is a perfect thrift flip transformation for those of you that doesn't own a sewing machine. And I will fold up these flaps and I am going to cut the back bodice straight across. If you want to make the front ties longer, you can use this fabric that we cut off and attach it to the flaps. But because this is a no-sew project, I am not going to do that today. But you can certainly attach an extra fabric to make the ties longer. And I tried on the crop top and it looks really good, but the ties are very bulky, so I tapered it. I trim it 2 inches off on the sides. Like I said earlier, because this is a jersey knit fabric, I don't need to hem the raw edges. And this is the final product. I really like how it turned out and how simple it is to do. You can also tuck in the ties in the crop top and it will give you a different look. That's it, you guys, and thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so YouTube will recommend my videos. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you next time. Bye!